well camouflaged. If he didn't move, I don't know that we would have seen him. Asa is demonstrating for us what not to do with your magnifying glass. Asa, where's your magnifying glass? Did you leave it on the ground? You show me how to use the magnifying glass? Very good. Here's Silas. He's going to show us how to use a magnifying glass the right way. You put it around his neck so he doesn't lose it when he stops along the trail to check out so many cool things. Now, he's taking his magnifying glass. He's not holding it right up to his eye, but a little ways away, and he is finding the spot where whatever he's looking at looks in focus. Let's see what he's looking at here. Ooh. That's a pretty cool plant. This is called teasel. Check out another one. Oh, that's what the inside of that whole flowering top looks like. Very cool. And Silas, show us what happens if you put the smaller circle over it. The smaller circle in your magnifying glass makes things even more magnified. Well, see, you can move it back and forth and find the spot right where it's in focus. This is getting pretty complicated. Let's review. Always wear around your neck so you don't lose it. Or perhaps just drop it, spot something exciting and do a happy dance, accidentally smashing the lens into the gravel path you're walking along. Not that that's ever happened to us. Remember to look through the lens with your eye, not your nose or your mouth. Move the magnifying glass back and forth until you find the sweet spot of perfect focus. And no matter what, you better be having fun while you explore, or else there will be consequences. At least that's what I tell my kids. Here's Silas making the call of a great blue heron. Can we hear it one more time? Very nice.